Welcome to Module 4.15, where we'll explore the foundations of qualitative data analysis. Analysis transforms raw qualitative data into meaningful findings through systematic yet creative processes. In this module, we'll examine the general analysis process, contrast inductive and deductive approaches, and discuss key principles that guide rigorous qualitative analysis in healthcare research. Qualitative analysis typically follows a general process, though specific techniques vary by methodological approach. It begins with data preparation and organization, transcribing interviews, organizing field notes, and creating a manageable system for handling data. Immersion follows as researchers repeatedly read or review materials to develop intimate familiarity with the content. Coding and categorizing involves systematically marking and labeling segments of data according to content, meaning, or analytical interest. Pattern and theme identification looks across coded data to recognize relationships, similarities, and differences that form coherent patterns. Interpretation and meaning-making moves beyond description to explain what the patterns mean in relation to the research questions and existing knowledge. While presented sequentially, these processes are typically iterative, with researchers moving back and forth between stages as understanding develops and new insights emerge. Qualitative analysis employs different logical approaches depending on research goals. Inductive analysis allows patterns and themes to emerge from the data without imposing preconceived categories, ideal for exploring new phenomena or privileging participant perspectives. Deductive analysis applies pre-existing frameworks, theories, or coding schemes to the data, useful when testing theories or using established conceptual models. Abductive analysis combines both approaches iteratively, moving between data-driven observations and theoretical concepts to develop explanations. The choice between approaches depends on research questions and methodological orientation. Inductive approaches align with exploratory research and constructivist paradigms, while deductive approaches suit more focused research questions or post-positivist orientations. Many qualitative studies combine approaches, perhaps beginning inductively before incorporating theoretical frameworks, or using deductive frameworks while remaining open to unexpected patterns. Some key principles guide rigorous qualitative analysis regardless of specific approach. Immersion and closeness to data involve sustained engagement with materials, recognizing that understanding develops through deep familiarity rather than cursory examination. Analysis is iterative and nonlinear, involving repeated returns to data with new insights, continuous comparison across cases, and refinement of interpretations over time. Context preservation ensures that data segments remain connected to their original meanings rather than being fragmented or decontextualized. Reflexivity throughout analysis acknowledges how the researcher's perspective shapes interpretation, requiring ongoing critical awareness of assumptions and biases. Transparency in process, documenting analytical decisions, discussing alternative interpretations, and clearly describing procedures allows others to evaluate the trustworthiness of findings. These principles help ensure that qualitative analysis in healthcare research yields findings that authentically represent participants' experiences while contributing meaningful insights.